In this video, I will show you step by step how you can add payment method on Roblox just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys. Let's get into it. So what you need to do first, you need to go to your roblox.com, to your account like this one, okay? As you can see, go to your home page and click over here on setting, okay? Click on this icon over here and click on setting like this, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. So let me show you. It's gonna take you to this page. As you can see, what you need to do next, click over here on payment method, okay? So just click on payment method and it's gonna take you to this page. As you can see, what you need to do, click over here on add, okay, like this. And what you need to do next, you just need to add payment method here, to add your credit or debit card, okay? So just put a card number here and expiration date here and your code here. Scroll down, put your billing email here and keep scrolling down, your first and last name, choose your country and put your street address here, click on save, and that's how you can add payment method on Roblox, okay? Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.